Hi guys, I'm Ram Agarwal. You are watching my channel 52 Pixels. Let's get started. In this video, we will see how to bevel and emboss in Photoshop app. So basically, bevel means a slope and emboss means a stamp that stands out. So let's see how we can do it to this. So to get started, let's select this ellipse. So we select the layer of ellipse and then go to this FX icon over here and select this bevel and emboss option. After selecting it, this toolbar will appear, and as you can see, the style is emboss over here, and this is created. Emboss kind of a stamp is created around the ellipse. So we can change the style. We can select outer bevel, inner bevel, or pillow emboss, stroke emboss. We can select any style. Let's just select inner bevel. Now we can also like select the technique. We can make it smooth, we can make it hard, or we can make it soft. I prefer smooth. Then again we can select the depth, so we can adjust the depth using this slider, and then direction, which is up or down. I prefer up, but again it's up to you how you want it and what purpose you are using it for. Then you can also increase the size and just play around with all these tools. Then we have soften. So you can just make the edges soft like this right now. And then there's angle for basically like light effects. So it's just the light effect. Nothing actually happens with the angle as such. Then you have all these other options of opacity and shadows. So you can create a different type of shadow if you want, like hard mix or multiply, etc. So let's just select OK. And as you can see, this bevel has been applied. Now let's play around with this. Again, go to this layer of 52, go to FX and bevel and emboss. Once you go, you already see there's an effect already applied of inner bevel, which was the setting from our previous effect. We can again change that and use emboss, then make it smooth. I don't want it to be softened, so I reduce the slider, then I reduce the size as well. Then I can adjust the angle, then opacity, anything and everything which the Photoshop tool provides, we can just play around and see what suits the best for our image. Once done, click OK. And now if you realize that this doesn't suit your ellipse, so you can always just select it and drag it to this dustbin icon so that it gets deleted. So this is something that we created using Bevel and Emboss in Photoshop app. Well, that's it for today, guys. Hope you liked the video. Make sure you subscribe to 52 Pixels and press on the bell icon to get notified. Thank you.